Pechersk School International was founded in 1995 as a nonprofit organization governed by 12 highly experienced and knowledgeable professionals that comprise the PSI Board of Governors. Our board members are parent volunteers from the PSI community that invest their time, professional experience, and expertise in developing policies that promote PSI mission, vision, and values. These individuals are elected by PSI parents for a 36-month term. Board elections are held yearly to ensure that all 12 seats are filled. The board officers, board chair, vice chair, treasurer, and secretary are elected annually among its members through a secret ballot by a simple majority. The procedures for identification, nomination, appointment, and election of prospective board members, as described in the PSI bylaws, are aimed at attaining the diversity in experience, knowledge, skills, gender, nationality, as well as balanced representation of the voting parents of students from PYP, MYP, and DP. These diversity criteria are paramount when any appointments of board members are considered. Governors also serve on one or more of the following board committees: Finance and Risk Management, Governance and Strategy, and Facilities and Building. Board meetings and committee meetings take place once a month. The board represents the interests of the parents as a collegial, permanent, governing body taking collective decisions for the enhancement, protection, and well-being of the school. As such, the Board of Governors has full authority and responsibility for all matters connected with the governance of the school. In fulfilling its governing function, the board establishes such policies and bylaws as may be required from time to time for the proper and efficient operation of the school. The board also delegates certain executive powers in the areas of administration, staff selection, and curriculum implementation to the director to manage the school according to the board's policies. As the board's chief executive officer, the director is responsible for the administration of the board's policies, the execution of its decisions, the efficient operation of the school, and for keeping the board informed about school operations and problems. The board does not manage operations, hire or fire personnel, develop curriculum, or implement policy. Although the director carries responsibility for the day-to-day administration of the school, the board retains the ultimate legal and financial responsibility for the school on behalf of the parents. Invested with the power to represent the PSI community and set the school's strategic direction, review and continuously improve its policies and procedures, the Board of Governors plays a fiduciary responsibility and is not deemed to own or have any financial interest in the PSI assets. All assets held by the organization are dedicated in perpetuity to an exempt purpose and cannot be used to benefit any individual governor. Just like the rest of PSI parents and staff, our board members are dedicated to the idea of a bright, happy, and healthy future for all PSI students and are constantly working to realize this goal.